Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply filters on your order in the Bolt Food app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Bolt Food app. And on the bottom in the menu bar you can see in the middle the search icon. You have to tap on it. And here you can see the categories. You can select from here too if you would like Mexican food, but you can apply more filters if you tap on the top right corner on this icon. And here you can select the cheapest delivery or top rated, fastest delivery, some discounts and offers, the ratings. You can select the delivery time, the delivery fee, and here you can select what kind of food would you like to eat. Let's tap on gluten free, apply, and here you will have your options for these filters, what you applied, and here you can order from there. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.